So what's up guys, GTbank has introduced a new feature to its GTWorld app. So if you're a GTbank customer or you're intending to open an account with GTbank, specifically a domiciliary account, then you should draw closer. This video is just for you. I ought to have uploaded this video some few days back when the feature was officially launched, but due to time constraints, attachments and engagements, I have not been able to create a video just like this to upload. Not until yesterday when I got an email for them still talking about the same feature. Then I said, no, it's high time I bring this video to you. Then I'll actually put up this video today. So before we proceed, GTWorld is my name and Blog Infotech remains the name of this channel. So if you intend to get more updates from the technology world or tutorials from the technology world, then this channel is just for you. So you can simply hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification so that you get updated whenever I put up my next video just like this. So what feature am I actually talking about? I'm talking about the FX sales. If you could remember in my video, in one of my previous videos I uploaded on this channel, whereby they launched the FX sales on their web portal, that's the GTbank internet banking, I said it would be nice for them to also introduce a feature to the GTWorld app so that people that are not have an access to maybe a laptop that can't actually browse the web can easily carry out the same transaction using their mobile app. So what's the FX sales all about? So using it from the FX sales, you can simply sell your dollar, or you can simply exchange your dollar to Naira right from the comfort of your home, from your wherever you are. But since you're with the app, once you just operate the app, you can easily sell your dollars to Naira within a matter of seconds. I've been using the feature on the web portal, but thank God it's now on the mobile app. So whenever I'm on the go, I can easily carry out transaction, that is FX transaction, selling my FX, that's my Forex, my dollars. So if you have a domiciliary account, then this video is just for you. So all you have to do is to, but before we proceed, remember, is the updated GTWorld app. So if you've not updated your GTWorld app up to this extent, then I wonder what you've been waiting for. Simply go to either the Google Play Store or maybe the Apple Store, update your app so that it will have the you will be running on the current or the updated version. So it's only through the updated version you can actually carry out the FX sales. So like I said, so how you have to do is to carry out the FX sale, all you have to do is to open your GTWorld app just like this. Then you navigate to where it says FX sales, you tap on it. So it will open, and as you can see, the dollar account that you have already have existing in the GTWorld, it will be there. So you tap on it. Now the top will be the accounts you're trying to sell, that's the dollar account. Then the below will be the Naira you want to sell or convert the dollar to the Naira. So let's say for instance, let's convert $60. So you see the equivalent in Naira. So once you're done, you tap on sales, then voila, it will be transformed it will be transferred from that dollar account, that's the exact rate, from that dollar account to your Naira account within a matter of seconds. So you can see how easy it is for you to actually carry out sales, that is Forex sales, converting your dollar to Naira within a matter of seconds. This will save you the stress of going to the banking hall, passing through queues, waiting for your time, then withdrawing the dollar, then actually looking for an aboki or a parallel market exchanger for you to convert your Naira. So you can simply do this with the comfort of your home within a matter of seconds. So you can see how easy it is. So like I said, this is just an update I want to bring in this video. Is as short as that. So we've come to the end of this video. So in my previous videos, I've talked about the dollar card you can use to carry out purchases on AliExpress, because people have asked about that. So if you go through my playlist, if you're visiting this channel for the first time, go through my playlist, you see we have talked about them. I've talked about the MasterCard you can actually use to make purchases on AliExpress or pay international transactions. So with that, we've come to the end of this video. Like I said, it's just a snappy video, it's a short video. I just want to make it short and simple. So go ahead, update your app and carry out that transaction, your FSS transaction, using your GTWorld app, the updated app. So we've come to the end of this video. GTWorld remains my name, and Blog Infotech is the name of this channel. So simply give this video a thumbs up so that the YouTube algorithm will actually push this video to people like you who wants to watch this video and get updated. So we've come to the end of this channel, the end of this video I mean. So peace, and watch out my next video. So bye bye for now.